How to enable or disable audio messages raised to listen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, scroll down and then tap on Messages. In Messages, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Raise to Listen. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And here it said, Raise to Listen allows you to quickly listen and reply to incoming audio messages by raising the phone to your ear. So here you can tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. So the Raise to Listen feature is intended to provide a more natural and convenient way to listen to audio messages without the need for tapping on buttons on the screen. It is a part of Apple's efforts to make communication on your iPhone more intuitive and more user-friendly. Thank you for watching.